I'm using the Yates Manufacturing. So say hello to the Merica razor. Now this razor is made in the United States in Waynesburg, Pennsylvania. It has a neutral blade exposure, which is great for me because I like mild razors. I should say mild feeling razors on my face. Don't care how aggressive they are. It just has to be a smooth feeling on my face. That's what this one's going to provide. So awesome. The handle is 3.125 inches long, so it's nice and maneuverable. This one is made out of stainless steel and it weighs 98 grams. I like it. This notch in the middle here is going to be great when you're going over your face. So I have about 5 days of growth on my face, so this is going to be a great test. And they did send some razor blades, but I'm not going to use those. I'm going to go with my baseline razor, which is the Persona Comfort Coats, which are right here. I'm going to use a brand new one. I'm also going to be using Ariana and Evans soap again. I got a really great lather with this the last time, so I figured I'd go ahead and do another shave with it. Now, I just put some water in here. This is called Bloom water. And all you gotta do is let that sit in there for, I don't know, 30 seconds. And then I'm gonna apply that to my face as like a pre-shave soap or oil. Works out great for me. So I'm gonna start up here and just put some water on my face. Just got out of the shower a little bit ago, so I'm ready to go. I just wanna start hydrating my face. Now I'm gonna go in with one of the razor company's shaving brushes. This is a synthetic knot, 24 millimeter. Nice thing about synthetic knots is you just dip them down in water and they're ready to go. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is the water that was in that puck, right? I'm just gonna pour out into my hand here and go in and apply that to my face. Wow, this soap just is off the charts. If you guys have tried this, any of their soaps, mention down below and let me know what soaps I need to try from them because it's becoming my favorite. With this synthetic brush, it doesn't take much to load it. That's it. Now I'm just gonna paint this on my face. All right. I'm gonna go down and put the tips in just 1/8 of an inch. Break the backbone. And start to get this to pop. Now you're gonna notice when I lather, I spend more time on my neck because it's my most sensitive area. Up top, not so much, but below, yes, very much so. All right, that's good for right now. Now I'm gonna go into this Merica razor, and it's a 3-piece design. It has a notch right here up top, so you can pinch it to load and unload your razor. Okay. Nice setup there. Now I'm gonna just go in with the Persona blade here. These are the Comfort Coats, my ultimate favorites. And just load that into the top cap here. Very simple. I pinch it on the sides, put on the base plate, right? And then the handle. Great fit. No movement there. I think this is going to be one heck of a razor. Now that I've got my equipment loaded up, I'm just going to go back down here, grab some more water, and get this soap really going here. Now this soap If you don't know how to lather, you just started wet shaving, this soap is perfect, man. It doesn't take much to get this soap to do what you want it to do. I mean, it's already pretty much ready to go, but I like this soap to sit on my face for at least a few minutes. That way it can start loosening up my hairs, you know, because I have coarse hair, so especially in the winter time, my beard is like nails, so I really have to lather more in the winter or the colder months than I do in the warmer. I mean, this stuff is just crazy good. I go in for the first pass here. Find your spot on the side. I like right here on my ear. Oh, that feels really good. Yeah, that feels very, very good. Yeah, wow. Love the blade feel of it. Wow, that was a great first pass right there. All right, go to the other side here. Amazing. I like the ridge on the bar of the handle here. It holds a lot of soap. You can see how well this soap is. It's not falling off, it's not dripping off. You know what I mean? It's good. Let you know you got a perfect lather as well. And rinsing out completely easy with this razor. I'll straighten that up on the next pass. Right down below. Wow. Wow, Yates Precision makes some really good razors. Unbelievable. And I just noticed as well, looks like it has a magnet back here. Well, yes it does. Help you pick up blades if you drop one on the floor or what have you. All right, great first pass. Let me give this a rinse. All right, the way I can tell if a soap is good or not is on the second application of it. If I can get this soap, if it's still slick on my face and I can get this soap to pop, I generally know it's a great soap. And with this soap, no problems. Well, I want to give this one away, so down below, hashtag Ohio Shaves Merica. And I'll post that up so you can spell it correctly. That razor on the first pass is unbelievable. Really is. Very impressed with it. It leaves such a great sheen on my face. All right, we're gonna call that good. Now going in for the across the grain pass here. Very impressed. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. This might be my new favorite razor. Oh, it just feels so good, even on my neck, and that's my most sensitive area. No blade chatter. This thing just perfect weight, perfect cutting angle, and with the Persona Comfort Coat, forget about it. It's that good. Welcome to the Merica razor. All right, let me give this a rinse. That might have been one of the best shaves I've gotten in a long time. Unbelievable. Oh wait, I did want to. Great shave. Just gonna go over with some alum block here. I gotta say, that might have been one of the best shaves I've had in a long time. Possibly my best. Unbelievable. That razor, perfectly balanced. Yeah, no stinging anywhere. When Yates Precision Manufacturing says neutral blade gap, it's neutral. Nothing there. All right, this is the Parker. I'll list all these links down below so you guys can, research all these products. You rinse that off with some cold water. Okay. Wow, Thayer's is so good. Going over this razor, I gotta say, this razor cost $90 with the stone wash or bead blast setup. It's $95. This one would cost $95. There's no charge for the American flag, or you can get it without. So, it's free of charge. I gotta say, this razor is amazing. That's the best shave I've got in a long time. Possibly one of the best, maybe the best shave I've gotten. It's definitely the best shave I've gotten in 2023. Damn, highly recommend this. I'll link down below. If you buy directly from them and use Ohio Shaves 5, you're gonna save 5% directly from the manufacturer. So keep that in mind, and you're gonna help out the channel as well. The shave, dude, unbelievable. Perfect shave, absolute perfect shave on my first one. Reviewing this is so easy. And it's made in the United States. I know a lot of us try to buy from local companies, or at least try to buy from, made in the United States. This is in Pennsylvania, which is my next door neighbor. I live in Ohio, obviously. And small company, Great company. I did like their build your own razor, the 921 with the EH plate. I gotta say, this one right here, for an everyday shave, it peeled off 5 days of growth, no problem. Yeah, I would definitely look into this razor. Do some research on it. It's a winner in my book, 100%. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to enter the contest to win this Merica stainless steel razor. And I'll throw in a soap as well. Well, thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a